you're just starting out using n8n, it could be really overwhelming. So a question that people are asking me a lot is, how do you start with a new workflow and a new idea? This is mine phase one. So what I'm trying to create here is a crypto workflow, and I'm just gathering data now. I'm looking for the correct endpoints, seeing which endpoints are stable, which servers I could use and incorporate with my workflow. For now, I will just show you a couple of things I'm testing. On this top corner, I'm testing a couple of screenshot services. So I got Crawl4AI, that's self-hosted, and I'm using FireCrawl. I got an option to use browserless as well, but I have tested it several times and I saw that there are less possibilities than with my Crawl4AI. So for now, I'm just sticking with Crawl4AI and FireCrawl. What I'm doing is I'm using open sources. So this is just an open source. If you go to this URL in your browser, you can just see this. There's a chart, a Bitcoin chart visible. So what we are going to do is going to crawl that URL and take a screenshot. And this is the screenshot. I did it with this one as well, FireCrawl. This is from Binance. When we go to the URL over here, I can use an HTTP GET request as well to get the URL, but for now this is fine. So this is the screenshot of the chart. Did the same thing with Binance or Bybit, and this is the result. There are a couple of services like, for example, let's see if this will work. I need to execute it and show it. I don't think people know this this option, but this is a really great old school crypto indicator. There's another one. This is Coinanalyze. So these are all several options that I'm currently looking into. This is the Fear and Greed Index, Endpoint, the total market cap with the Bitcoin dominance, total coins. This is the futures market data, and I have created a Postgres database to save the data. Just switching things up with the normal way of Google Sheets and using a Postgres database. So the next step is to try to find more open sources endpoints and try to test the system for a week and to see which data we can collect and how much and how stable are the endpoints. So this is it for now. If you have any questions about this workflow, just let me know.